What's going on, boys and squirrels? Today we've got the old Spitfire out here, and don't mind the door gaps, I know she's a little rough. Today we're going to look at the Monza exhaust that I've installed. So basically what's going to happen is I'm going to go through a little run through of what modifications I've done to this exhaust, and then I'll go ahead and show you cold start, a couple of revs, which it sounds like running at temp, and just a couple flybys. But for now, what I've done is I had a shop cut a section out right here and extend it by, it looks like about 4 or 5 inches. They did a pretty good job. They actually grinded down the welds and everything just to try to make it like seamless. Did a pretty good job there. They lifted up the exhaust, put better bolts. Originally I gave them like some pretty crappy bolts, but they put new hardware on it. Let's go underneath this. Yeah, basically they put new clamps there, nice clamps at the front. So yeah, and everything's welded up. The kit for the Monza exhaust comes with a bunch of clamps, but I just decided that I only want one clamp where the header connects to the Monza exhaust. And on this side, I'll show you the header. The exhaust is a nice little 4:2:1 header. I love the gold right now. It'll turn to more of this kind of bluish after, and then eventually it will be a black color. But that's alright. For now, basically, I'm just gonna keep it clean. Not sure what all this. I guess this stuff is just gonna be pitting rust. I don't know what it is, to be honest. But anyway. So it's got the 4:2:1 header on this thing, going down to a clamp, going to a completely welded up Monza exhaust. The reason why I extended these tips out this much is 2 reasons. One, it looks cool, and 2, I kind of wanted, oh, she's a little bit scratched. I kind of wanted to have the exhaust tips to protrude past the bumper so I wouldn't get so much of this soot built up there, but that's okay. I'll go ahead and start her right now, and you can listen to it at cold start. Accidentally gave her a little bit too much gas at the start, but here's how she sounds at a cold start. So she's at about 750 RPM right now, spitting a little bit of water out of here, which is no big deal. She's not warmed up yet, but she's gonna climb a little bit higher when she's warmed up. It's the way it be. She kind of idles at around 1500 when she's all warmed up and driving around. But I'll give her some revs in a bit when she's warmed up. And I know what you're wondering, are you really going to sit here in the driveway revving your engine and annoy your neighbors? Absolutely, because this is the type of neighbors I have. They just kind of throw their garbage over my side of the property, leave their junk everywhere, and rev their little RC cars. So absolutely I'm going to sit here and rev my engine for you guys. So we'll just give her a little listen to what she sounds like from inside the car. It's a little bit droney, I'm not gonna lie. But we'll just be a little bit responsible on this street here. Oh, got ourselves a driver. So she wants to idle at about like 2,000 RPM. I mean, sorry, at about 1,500 RPM, which is alright. But yeah, I think I'm gonna give her a wash. But that's how the exhaust sounds. It's not too bad. It's a little bit loud. What I might do is where the stock pipes, like the muffler over there is, I might cut that out and put maybe a little bit of a quieter muffler on it later on down the road. But for now, I'm gonna enjoy this and be as loud as possible. But yeah, that's the Spitfire. She's a little bit dirty, I guess, just sitting in the shop, but she cool. I gotta go tighten up a bunch of bolts and fix some coolant leaks and whatnot with this thing. But other than that, she's running pretty mint and I'm happy with her. I'm gonna go for a little drive. If you're on this channel looking for Spitfire stuff, it's gonna happen. There's gonna be a lot of Spitfire stuff. So please subscribe and like, it helps me out. I'm starting up the channel. But this is just a car channel in general, so it's gonna be a lot of funnier, kind of somewhat immature humor stuff here and there. But come along for the ride, subscribe, you'll have fun. Alright, take care.